In this particular video, I'm going to introduce you to the VeryChat network as of April 12, 2026. When I recorded this video, they had about 37.3k followers. VeryChat is building it on blockchain, and so far they have a partnership with OKS. During my research, I found that the total supply of Very tokens is 10 billion. The interesting part is that 50% of the total supply will be allocated to the community, which is about 5 billion Very tokens. Now, the reason why you need to join this project right now is because of this post. If you look at this post here, let me tap show more. So you can see with the second halving, the base mining rate will be reduced from 2.4 Very to 1.2 Very. Node mining reward have also been halved accordingly, right? The number of VeryChat users have been rapidly increasing. The halving timeline has been accelerated, so that's why you need to jump in right away. And if you look at down here, you can see VeryChat is still early stage with fewer than 1 million users. However, it has potential to grow to 5 million, 10 million, and even 100 million users in the future. This means you are still early, right? You are still early to join this project, guys. Currently, the referral reward have been reduced from 100 Very to 50 Very due to the ongoing halving events. So if you are seeing this video, you are super early on this project. Make sure you join right now. I'm going to leave my referral link in the video description. At the time of recording this video, after successfully completing your KYC, you will be able to sell your Very token without waiting for TG. That's the very another interesting part, right? So the token is currently being sold at around 20 naira per token, right? So this is not just my opinion, but the ongoing market price at the moment. So it's very important to join this project. You tap more below this video, then tap more again, you will see the referral link there. So make sure you start right away. So the big question is, what is VeryChat? VeryChat is a global messaging app that combines social chatting with cryptocurrency reward. It positions itself as Web3 platform designed to make crypto more accessible and encourage users engagement. The way VeryChat is designed is that you can come here and chat freely while any very true activities like daily checking and referrals. Don't worry, when I get into the app, you will understand it better. At this point, let me go into the registration process. So once you tap the link on the description section of this video, it will bring you to here. So here you tap on download app and get 50 Very. Once you tap on it, it will bring you to Google Play Store to download the application, but me, I have already installed it, right? So after download it, then you tap on open. Once you tap on open, you can see app permission required, so you do yours now. So here you tap on continue with Google. So here you choose an email you want to use for your registration, right? So let me choose my email. After you tap agree and share. So here you can see what would you like to be called, right? So which name you want to people call you, right, on the app. So after I tap on confirm, so you can see create your ID, right? So you can also input the same name. So after I tap on confirm, so you can see here you agree all this, right? So you agree and complete sign up. You can see. So you can see 50 Very is yours. Sweet both with and tap on OK. So here is the mining phase, right? So here is the mining interface. So here get 10 Very. So here you can start mining by planting a seed, right? So let me tap on it. You can see it have started mining. So every 12 hours you come back and mine again. So right now you can see open a lucky box and use item. So here we tap on lucky box. So here you can see we have 10x chance right up. So you can use open, or you can use 10x chance up to get each of this, right? So you tap on 10x chance. So you can see use it. So you can see my balance have been increased, right? So here you tap on harvest your very, right? You can see you receive 10 very. Tap on OK. So you can see my balance have been increased, right? So if you want to refer your friend, right, you need to tap here get 150 very now. So invite. Once you tap on it, so here you tap on get 150 very now. Once you tap on it, you can see referral pop up, then you copy it. So that is how you copy your referral. Tap on the chat section. So here is where you can chat with other people. You can tap on this to fan people, right? So here you can see you can chat with your inviters and other those people. You tap here also, you can see search for an ID to chat with them, right? And come to the channel section here. So you can see we have popular, subscribe, right? And we have new also here. So you can see someone send hi now, right? So here also is a channel, you can get people to chat with them. And here's the minus section. So you come to the raw section here. Here's the very important. So here your harvest will be showing here, right, in your lucky cookies. So here you can see here is daily harvest streak. So let me tap on it. So you can see I have check-in for day 1 streak, right? So once you reach for day 7, you get a reward, right? So you can see this is the 21 day streak. You can see the more you are checking, the more. So you can see this is the lucky cookie times 1. So day 2 will be instant very harvest, right? So day 2 streak reward will be instant harvest. So that's how this also works. So this is how we accumulate the very tokens, right? So this is the easiest way to earn very token, right? So you can see here is my total very now I have, right? And let me see, no credit available. So let's come to the wallet section here. So once we come to the wallet section, so here we are able to create our wallet. Create very wallet in 5 seconds. Tap on create wallet. So here set a passcode you want to use, which is the set new pin. So here you set your pin. So for this wallet, what you need to keep as a seed phrase is your pin. So look at, you can see security notice, only the first and last digit of your pin will be shown, right? Examples like this. So this will set to your email, right? So pin hint will be sent via your email. So if you lose your pin, you permanently lose access to your wallet, right? So please make sure to remember it. So you can set a secondary email for it, but right now secondary email is required to input it. So I have input it. Tap on create wallet. So after tap on, you can see creating wallet. So you can see backup complete, pin hint has been sent to your email, right? So go to wallet. So before you can access your wallet, you need to enter the pin you set, right? So here let me set my pin. So here is my wallet, right? You can see the very chain, right? So these projects have their own blockchain. You can send very token outside and receive it also from someone. So copy this address, then send to the person. So guys, that's how the step-by-step guide on how to go about the VeryChat. So guys, this video was helpful. Consider to like this video, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I drop new video, you'll be the best person you see. And we have WhatsApp group where we discuss something like this, airdrop mining, right? Ways to make money online. You can also join us for your question, right? Our X account is currently suspended, so we have also created a new, so you can also follow us on X. So I will leave all the link on the description section of this video. If you follow me, I will also follow you back, and I will see you in the next one.